Hi, I'm Andreas, and some say the perfect aircraft does not exist yet. So I thought, you got a garage, let's get it done. If you love aircraft, hit subscribe and watch it get from dream to reality. Let's go! The last time you have seen us working on the CNC Mill. We have finished them and all what's left is connecting them to the motherboard. The vertical boards are the motor drivers. They are thermically connected to the gantry frame for better cooling. We have built a provisorical desk for the mill. We are also building one out of steel profiles, but it's not finished yet. As you can see, the light weight of this mill is a real game changer for our flexible workshop setup. A quick setup of the software, or maybe not so quick if you forgot to turn on the internet. Attempt number 2 successful. So now let's quickly install the software and then check if everything is working correctly. Unimaginable, something that works right out of the box on the first try. Okay, so let's turn up the speed a little bit. Oh, well... But a little bit of aligning here, a little bit of grease there, and now it's working well. So now it's time to get Horus to the second workshop one level above. AI, write us a song about a jet aircraft that we are building ourselves.
Left and right, feel the speed, it's pure delight. Blazing trails across the blue, climbing high in sky so true. Turbo power pushing through, jet fighter dreams come into view. Blazing trails across the blue, climbing high in sky so true. Turbo power pushing through, jet fighter dreams come into view. Sky high, vision fast and clear. Feel the rush when you are near. In the cockpit, no more fear. Take the lead, the path is here.
So just in case you wondered about the curious text choice, the AI came up with the text on its own without any input from my side. That was it for this episode, so don't forget to hit the like button like crazy, leave me a comment and make sure that you have subscribed so you won't miss the upcoming episode next week. As always, fly safe, fly Horus.
Outside.